What are we gonna do?
Go fly a plane.
What are we gonna do? Out. Say airplane.
Mommy! Somebody won't get me out here.
Let's get out.
Dad, do you need to take this? Does it have engine in it?
Yeah, there's an engine in there. That's the wing.
Yeah. I'm waiting for it.
Can everybody hear me?
I got it.
Alright, good.
Can you hear Daddy?
Okay, we gotta be quiet while Daddy talks, okay?
Kansas City Downtown Airport information Golf 1454 Zulu observation, wind 120 at 8, visibility 10, sky 0, temperature 25, 2.13, altimeter 3027, visual approach runway 19 in use. Notice to airmen, runway 21 closed, multiple taxiway closures. Expect progressive taxi instructions from ground control. Advise on initial contact, you have information Golf.
Downtown ground, Cessna 6342 X-ray over at the T hangars, taxi to takeoff. We have Golf.
Cessna 6342 X-ray, downtown ground, runway 19 kilo intersection, taxi via Lima, altimeter now 3027.
3027 on the altimeter, we're gonna taxi to Kilo via Lima, Cessna 42 X-ray. Okay, now we're gonna go slowly.
Oh, we're gonna go.
Cessna at Kilo, I missed that call sign. Going to the south. Who was that?
That is Cessna 6342 X-ray, ready to go here at Kilo, departing the area to the south.
Cessna 42 X-ray, runway 19 at Kilo, clear for takeoff, proceed on course to south.
Clear for takeoff, proceed on course to the south, Cessna 42 X-ray. Okay, boys, here we go. The window, Carter.
Morning, Terra, Airport 10's 1 at Alpha, like that, North Flight.
Airport 10, hold short.
We're holding short of 1 on Airport 10.
Look out the window, Taylor.
Order 616, I will call you base.
You call the base, 616.
Fine. It's okay. Mommy's with you. Carter's not sure at all.
Oh, let me know if I need to go back.
He's saying he's all done.
All done.
Dad, I want to eat.
That's where we're going, babe. We're gonna go have some barbecue.
I like it.
Order 616, base your discretion, runway 19, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 19616.
Retire 10, clear 1 now.
That is 435 below us.
On the south side of the city, I guess.
Yep, we're heading south now. Gonna fly here for about another 5 minutes until we come up on our turn. Head out that way.
Awesome.
Having to skirt, there's airspace over here. Johnson County Executive is over there, and I'll probably tune to them since I'm outside. He didn't give me a frequency, but
You can't fly in their space.
Order 616, runway 19, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 616.
probably gonna tell him. Downtown Tower, Cessna 6342 X-ray, frequency change.
Cessna 6342 X-ray, have a good day.
Have a good day, 42 X-ray. Okay, we are now going to go direct to Kilo 81. Miami County, Cessna 6342 X-ray is about 5 to the north. We're going to do a straight in final to runway 21. Any other traffic, please advise.
We're here, Dad.
We're almost here. Daddy's just going to land it. We're going to be
Dad.
done.
We're here.
PIT not available.
Miami County, Cessna 42 X-ray is on short final for 21. Miami County. Too bad of a landing, huh, guys?
That's great. Landing, Daddy.
Miami County, Cessna 42 X-ray is clear of runway 21, Miami County.